Hey guys, it's your boy Dinesh Plays, and sorry for the long delay, and sorry for the voice because I'm in a lonely room. So today we're gonna be making a Discord bot, kind of like a communication bot. It talks to you and all that stuff. Now I'm gonna mute myself and just follow me after it. Now type in replit and click enter. You should come over here. Here I already created my account, but you have to sign in or do all that stuff. You're gonna have to click new REPL, and then what you have to do, wait for it to load, and then click on Python. If there's no Python, type in Python, not in capital, Python. And now I typed it, not Python with turtle, just Python. Now I'm just gonna keep that my REPL's name, or what it's called here. You can name it whatever you want. This doesn't affect your bot or anything like that. It just affects how you understand it. Okay, that was a joke. Didn't work out though. Okay, now we're gonna create the Discord bot. In order to create the Discord bot, first let's let it load up. And now we're gonna do import Discord, import random, and then import OS. OS is the operating system. And in the next video, I'll be telling how to make your bot run for a bot. Now we're gonna not do that. Now we're gonna go to token, and in token space equal token is where you get from a Discord bot. So to get the token, open a new tab, go to Discord developer portal. I already have some open here, and click on applications. It will take you over here to this applications, and we actually don't want this applications. We go on this, that's documentation. We click on this applications. If you do see, when you come in, you should see your Discord profile picture. For some people, it will tell them to sign up. Once you sign in or sign up if you don't have Discord account. Once you're done, just close it and then open it back up again. Once you're done signing in or signing up, now click on the button new application. And a new application, you can name a bot. I'm gonna name it trial YouTube, and I'm gonna hit create. And now you have trial YouTube. Here if you click on it, and you can upload a picture and all that. I'm not gonna upload a picture now. Now once you're done uploading a picture, click on OAuth 2, bot. Once you click on bot, you should see add a bot. Click on add a bot and click on yes do it. But before you click on yes do it, think about it, because once you add a bot, it says that it's irrecoverable, but it's actually pretty easy to delete a bot. Now once you create it, I didn't upload a photo here, so it's gonna come like this. Now you wanna see, do you want your bot to be public or not? Since this is our first bot, I'm not gonna make it public, so I'm gonna turn that off. And if we go down here, you wanna save changes. Now what can the bot do you wanna share? You wanna click everything in text permissions. That's optional if you wanna be really specific. But if you don't want to be really specific, you can leave that alone. Now, once you're done, click on OAuth 2, and you know what your bot is? It's a bot. You click on bot, you click on copy, there you go, and you click on paste. Once you click on paste, you hit enter, and you would directly head to this one where it says connect to Discord, and I'm gonna add it to the test server where I add all my bots and test it out. It's a testing server where we can add and test our bots. Here if we go to DT test, a bot called trial YouTube just popped up. See, you can even see the message. Now once you're done with that, minimize your Discord and now close the authorization access. Once you're done, you might come back to Discord developer portal, go to bot and click on copy token. Now this token should be really secret, it should be only to you, because if anybody has this token and a little bit of Python knowledge or any other language knowledge, they can literally gain access to your bot and do all the bad stuff. Now you click copy, you go to your replit and click paste. Here it might be like this, but then soon later I'm going to delete this bot anyways. So alright. Okay, no, I'm not going to delete it, but then this bot is really useless anyways, because it's a very test bot. Now you're going to have to click space, go to a new line, and then type in client equal discord dot client, and the client after discord should be capital C. Don't forget that. It might be really fatal to your program if you forget that. Now here is what we say: client dot event. So this event function the first event function here will say if the bot is active. Like if the bot is active, over here once we run it will say the bot is active, or it will say we have logged in as the bot's name. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go here and then type in async. This is the command that syncs you and the token, or the command and the token. Def on ready, and on ready is literally means what it means. It runs when the bot is on ready. Now that can be different. Print. Now what we want it to print, we want it to print we have logged in as. Who are we logged in as? We want to put a curly bracket there and put 0 dot user. And now 0 dot user means the bot. So when it runs, it's gonna say we have logged in as trial YouTube, and then your tag, like hashtag something. And that tag. Now once we're done, we want to type dot, no space by the way, dot format brackets client. Let's get rid of that. Now if you see, after we have logged in as 0 user, you want to close it, and then outside you want to put dot format client, and at the end you should have bracket client bracket. That's for the bracket we started next to print. Now you want to go, now that's that. Now you're going to go over and create your first command. Now you want to make the at, and the next at you're going to place synced as in the same line, or else it will say unintended indent and error of your bot. Now you want to type in client at client.event, and this client.event is going to be your first message. We're going to type in async def on message. On message means on the message. On message bracket message. Oh well, I think I might have messed up. This is to actually make the bot able to send messages. Now I'm gonna type in username equals string brackets message dot author. Now message dot author, well, it's the author of the message, or the person who wrote the message. Now dot split. And now dot split bracket, and then you wanna type in you wanna make another string, and then type in hashtag in it. And where do you find a hashtag in a Discord username? Before the tag. We don't want it every time saying hello hello Dinesh hashtag blah blah blah, whatever your Discord username is. Now after that you want to set that to, let's say, 0. That's a 0. Now be careful before saying a 0 or O. Now you want to go to the next line and type it user message equals string, who is it, message dot content. Now message the content, or what the message says. Now in this case, if we say hi, it should say hello and all that stuff. Now we go to the next line. Now channel. Channel is where you send your message. Now there is general and all the different server channels you can be named as. You can name your own channels by the way in Discord, if you didn't know. str, now that's a string, and that is message.channel.name, because you want it to go, if you want it to go to a particular message like a particular channel, you have to add this. Well, you have to add this either way. And now you type in next line, you type in print bracket f and then the apostrophe because it's a type of string, and then you have to type in curly brackets username, as in it will say your name, and then after the curly brackets you want to put a colon, space, another curly bracket, and type in user underscore message, and then you don't have to put a colon for this one. You have to click space and put another bracket. This might be confusing, but you have to put another bracket, and then inside those brackets you have to put a curly bracket, and then type in username. And then before the last curly bracket, here we are at the end, we go back one curly bracket and then end it. So we don't want the whole thing to be one big message. We don't want that. Now we're gonna write what seems as, okay, let me write it first and then I'll explain. If message dot author equal client.user, and here in this line it means if the author of the message is the client or the user, what do you want to do? Well, nothing. Well, you have to, and well, what this does, it only replies to users. Like myself, I have a Discord username, I have a Discord account, and if I go to -I, okay, here's the short form. You don't want it to reply to its own commands, so you do that. Now you want to go enter, and then you want to sync up to this I. And here is your first message. You want to type in if message.channel.name equal bracket. Now this has to be the exact name of your channel. In this case, I'm going to go and click on this vague master. No, I'm going to create a channel in bot channels and type in as trial YouTube. Once I'm done, I'm going to copy it and I'm going to make the channel. Now since I copied it, I can come back here and then paste it exactly where it was. Now trial in YouTube, this and that should match, or else it will say, it won't show up as an error. Maybe it will, I'm not sure. Now we know what the channel is. Now we have to type in if, oh, you have to put a colon at the end, by the way. And if user message dot lower, this says that if the message written by the author is in lowercase, what do you want? If the person writes hi in lowercase in that particular channel, you want to go await message.channel. This says for the bot to wait until somebody sends the particular message hi in lowercase in that channel. You wanted to send, let's say that's a type of what do you call that, string f. You have to use that for every other command. Now you wanted to say, let's say hello curly bracket username. Now curly bracket username is like if let's say user named Apple writes hi in try YouTube, it says hello Apple. And if myself Dinesh, my username is also Dinesh, if I type hi in try YouTube, it says hi Dinesh, hello Dinesh. So you want it to change for every person. Now you can make that difference if you're the only one in your server. It depends actually. Now you have to end it. Don't at the end this curly bracket should be white and not green, yellowish, brownish red. Not sure what that color is. Now once you're done, what you want it to do is to return. Now return is basically, well, you want it to finish that. You don't want it to do other stuff. Now if you want to add another command, you want to click enter, backspace once, and then type in elif. Elif is else if, as in it checks to every message if that is. Now we have to do this. User message dot lower equal, and let's say, how are you doing? We don't want to add a question mark there because some people might get confused, and you want to put that done. Now you want to enter, click on enter, and then await message dot channel dot send. Send what do you wanted to send? I wanted to send I am fine. Username. Now this username part can be totally up to you. You can add a username at the end or not add a username at the end. But adding the username just makes it a bit more specific. Oh, 1 second. I just realized something. I spelled username wrong. Username done. Now that's how you add a second command. And for the third command, you do the exact following: elif, user, message, and so on. Now that's it for today, guys. Wait, nope, we're not done yet. Sorry, don't leave the video. You click on enter a couple times, and you want to go to as far back as possible. Here, if I click backspace, it goes to the before line. That means that's as far as possible. You want to type in client dot command. Client dot run, and you want to put token. Token in full caps inside the bracket. This what it does is once it's done, once it reaches this part, once you run it, it runs token. And where do we get this token? From the Discord part. So it connects the Discord part. I'm gonna go here, copy my token again because I think there's been a mistake of mine, and paste it again. Okay, mine does have a full stop in the middle. Once you're done, that's it. Now you wanna go ahead and click on run. On the right, you should see all of this. Now, well, it always gets stuck around updating and resolving dependencies. Once you're done, once the bot shows we have logged in as well, your bot's name, hashtag, its tag, that means the bot's up and running. Now it's installing Discord.py, it's installing everything, so we don't have to do the work. Now, if you see here, it says we have logged in as trial YouTube hashtag 5307. That's the tag. Now, if you go to Discord and if you go to trial and go down, you see trial YouTube. Now, what did we write as a command? We wrote 1 second. Let me go down. Now we wrote hi. Now, if I write hi, click enter, and it should say hello Dinesh. And if you look here, and it even says Dinesh, my username. What did I say? Hi, and it says Dinesh. And what trial YouTube said? Hello Dinesh, and then it says trial YouTube. Now, if we go to check out our second command, how are you doing? How are you doing? It goes as I'm fine Dinesh. Now this varies to each username since we put curly bracket username, curly bracket username, and then a curly bracket at the end, since it changes for every person. Yeah guys, so that's it for today. Now I'm done. I'm gonna stop the bot. So yeah guys, that's it for today. See you in the next video. And in the next video, I will teach you guys how to make your bot run forever, and how to make, and I will teach you how to make an embed. I will get into more about embed in the next video. See you guys later, and totally sorry for the super long delay. Alright, bye.